Hi, in this video, we will be discussing how you can use the Quick Profile feature in Astera Centerprise to generate field statistics of your data at any point in your flow. Here we have a sample data flow designed for a fictitious organization that uses the loans dataset. In order to view field statistics at a particular object in the data flow, we can simply right-click on the object's header and select Quick Profile. The Quick Profile window will slide up from the bottom of the screen, providing an overview of the content and quality of all the fields in the Excel file source. The basic statistics here, like mean, standard deviation, variance, and the counts and percentages of errors, warnings, duplicates, etc. can be very helpful in identifying and correcting data quality issues while designing flows. Now, if you close this Quick Profile window and wish to reopen it, you can go to View in the toolbar and select Quick Profile. Or instead, you can also use this shortcut key. This will open the last Quick Profile generated, which in our case is for the Excel file source. The Quick Profile feature can be used for any set-level object in the data flow. Let's do that for the output of aggregate transformation in our flow by right-clicking and selecting Quick Profile. An important thing to note here is that the data processed by Quick Profile is in memory and can only be stored permanently if exported to an Excel file. To do that, right-click anywhere in the Quick Profile window and select Export to Excel. Here we must select the folder where we want to save our file, type a valid file name, and then click Save. The Quick Profile of our data will now be saved in an Excel file at the location we specified. So this is how we can use the Quick Profile feature in Centerprise. For more information, please visit our documentation site by clicking on the link provided in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video.